All right, welcome back, and let's create the results. Let's create the user. So we have a property right here called result, and this is what we need to show right here when we generate a loser. We want to see that name. So I'm going to go right there and say that this is going to be the data and result. But when we click the button just to get the loser, we are just not doing anything, right? We are just not generating the loser. So we need to go to the app and we need to generate the function and generate it right here. I'm going to call it generate, just like this, and then result. This is the name of the function. And we don't have this function. We need to create it. I'm going to go here and say that we have now a const called generate result. And this one is going to be equal to a function open and close. Now on this, we need to get a random name from the list of names that we have on data. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a different function to handle this. I'm going to call it get and then random and then name just to say something. I'm going to open and close. And here we just need to get or return the usual get a random value from an array. So I'm going to say return. And this one, it's going to be data.names. It's the name of the array, right? I'm going to enter that array and I'm going to be doing a math and then floor. Open and close, open and close. We need to do math and then random and then again, open and close. And we need to do star and then data that names dot length. This is, very basic just to get the value from an array, a random value from an array. So this is going to give us the name. So the generator result, the only thing it needs to do, it needs to catch that name. So I'm going to put it inside the rand and I'm going to call that function. This function, get random name, is going to give us back the random name. And at the end of the day, what we need to do is to go to results and show the name of the loser, right? We need to do a little bit more. We will do it in a couple minutes. I'm going to say data and result. And this one, it's equal to rand. I guess we are ready just to see it working. I'm going to save it. I'm going to go here, reload the application, make sure everything is saved. Since we are not using NPM, it's not doing the saving for us. So I'm going to be doing Steve at, then Mike at, and then Lisa, and then at. And if we check the loser, we get Mike. All right, so cool. And remember, we are not hard coding this data. We are doing data result. Let's do it again. I'm going to do this time Miles, then Brad, and Caroline. Cool. I'm going to edit. Check the loser, and the loser smiles. Cool. Now, if I go to the final application, when we get the loser, we have two options: to start over, and then if we don't like the loser, we can generate a new name. We can get a new name. And if this is an application, the loser is the loser. But just to add a little bit more, I'm adding this. Don't like it, get a new name. So we're gonna do this in the next section. Let's go to the next video and create the functions for this buttons and be pretty much done with the application.